Sir, sino po sila, sir?
My name is Johan de la Cruz.
Okay, sir, yun. Anong auto pala itong dala natin, boss? Sige po.
2018 Honda Civic 1.8e.
Oh, ito yung, ito ba yung FC6, no? Parang ito ba yung
FC6. Kasi maraming category si FC eh.
Okay.
So we normally know it as FC. Pero to being the 1.8e variant or 1.8 variant, it's coded as FC6.
Okay.
And then, yung top of the line variant nitong model na to, which is the RS Turbo, FC1 naman.
FC, pero sir, yun, ito, merong 2, 3, 4, 5, hanggang 6, meron ba?
Meron, pero dito sa Pilipinas, since we only have the 1.8 and the RS Turbo, so it's only just the FC1 and FC6.
Yun, okay, mga ka-auto, ano tayo, may natutunan tayo dito kay Sir Johan. Sir Johan, siyempre, dito sa auto culture, very curious sa mga ka-auto natin. Paano ba kayo nahilig sa pagkukotse, boss? Sige po.
Well, since college kasi, meron na rin akong kotse noon. Actually, it's a Civic VTI SIR body, EK.
EK.
From what a lot of people know. So it's my dad's car, basically. Okay. So, hand-me-down. So, ginagamit ko siya since college, although my dad was still using it. So, salitan kami nung college. Until, fast forward to 2019. So, that car's been with us for 19 years.
Okay.
So, until I decided na palitan siya, and I'm 100% decided that I'm gonna get another Civic.
Yung Civic pa rin, boss.
Civic
Iba pa rin Honda rin talaga, boss.
Talagang bukod sa forma, ganda, yung tibay talaga eh.
Iba.
Doon talaga ako na-impress sa...
Pero yung si Civic, boss, yung VTI, nandyan pa? Nandyan pa?
Wala na.
Wala na talaga.
Actually,
Nilet go na talaga.
Keep it,
okay.
Kaso wala rin akong enough parking space
parking,
para
medyo. Nako, Diyos ko.
At the same time, nung...
Same page tayo dyan, boss Johan, na same page, ha?
Paradahan eh, walang,
okay.
At the same time kasi, nung time na in-approve ng bank tong for this car, I got it as brand new. Medyo biglaan. I mean, hindi, kasi my brother works at the bank.
Okay.
So he's the one who submitted.
Approve ka agad, boss. Approve na.
Which I wasn't expecting, to be honest. So parang hindi ako financially ready for the down payment at least. So, kumbaga,
si VTI ang
VTI, binenta ko na lang siya.
Okay.
So yun, ginamit ko pang down dito.
Yun. Pero if ever makita pa natin si VTI, i-buyback na lang natin, boss Johan, kung kakayanin na.
Kung pwede nga.
Kung pwede, boss, di ba? Okay, boss Johan, dito sa Auto Culture, syempre kailangan makita natin interior, exterior, tsaka engine bay. Okay lang, boss?
Okay.
Okay na okay. So, tara, check na natin.
Alright.
Usapang interior tayo, boss Johan. Ito mga ka-auto, una ako na to si Sir Yo. Ang lamig ng aircon. Syempre, brand new, boss Johan, ha. Boss, anong meron dito sa interior natin, boss? Sige po.
Actually, nothing really special. Siguro, if there's something really special about the interior, it's basically just the steering wheel.
Okay.
This is real carbon fiber.
Palit na to, boss, yung buong steering wheel?
Palit na to. Just the frame. Pero
okay.
yung middle module niya, it still came from the stock.
Yung stock na
so marami kasing electronics and everything dyan.
Mahirap na, boss, no?
Saka I don't want to lose the airbag eh. Kasi most, or some third party steering wheel, delete airbag ka na.
Delete airbag na. Okay.
Safety pa rin tayo.
Safety pa rin.
So yan, ito yung in-upgrade ko.
Okay, sige, boss.
Some pseudo carbon fiber trimmings.
Yan, no?
Pseudo meaning hindi siya talaga carbon fiber. So,
ito pinaka-carbon nyo. Na, yun nga, anong brand? Ano ba brand?
Actually, no brand at
No
all.
brand, okay.
Sometimes we call it as Lazada Motorsports.
Yun nga, yung Lazada Racing, boss, Lazada Racing.
Shopee Motorsports.
Up tayo dyan, boss Johan, yan, okay. Ito, boss, talaga kahit pati ito. Yan, inano na.
This one, itong lalagyan na to, pati itong tray na to.
Yan.
Even this small carbon fiber. So, yan, Lazada lang. Stick-on lang yan.
Stick-on lang. So, okay. Yan, bubulong sa atin ni boss Johan yan. Pag, sa mga naka-AFC dyan, ha? Boss Johan, ha? Lazada lang daw yan.
Lazada lang yan.
Ayan. Yan. Itong i-head unit, boss, ano ba? Stock pa ba to?
Stock to. So, it's actually Android, kaya configurable. Kaya pati yung lock screen ko, lalagyan ko siya ng
picture ng auto. Yan, well said. Okay. Yan, Diyos ko. Iba rin talaga. Sarap din talaga ng batang sasakyan. Boss Johan, no? Hay! Okay, boss Johan, okay ka na dito sa interior, boss?
Okay na, okay.
So, syempre, check naman natin yung labas, boss. Okay lang?
Sige,
So, tara, check natin. Okay, boss Johan, usapang exterior tayo. Anong meron dito, boss? Sige po.
Originally, ang 1.8 variant kasi, ang grill niya is chrome silver.
Okay.
The RS Turbo variant has the glossy or chrome black.
Okay.
So, in-upgrade ko siya. This grill came from an RS Turbo, so original na ano siya.
Kumbaga yung itsura niya, pang RS Turbo na.
Yes.
Okay.
Tapos, we have the front sheen, which honestly, I don't know what it's called. It's from Syndicate Customs.
Shoutout tayo dyan.
Matte black yung original ano niya, and it was my idea to have it body painted.
Di ko yun. Saka mas malinis, boss Johan.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Dito tayo sa gilid. Boss Johan, ito, regarding sa kulay natin, anong kulay pala to, boss? Sige po.
Modern steel metallic.
Modern. Ito, stock pa to. Ito pa yung stock na
Yes,
color.
stock pa yan. And it's ceramic coated by CarPro Philippines.
Yan,
Kaya kahit maulan, umuwi ka.
Punas lang, punas lang.
Punas lang.
Punas lang.
May konting dumi siya from afar, makintab pa rin. Kaya maganda to. Sulit talaga.
Sulit. So, ito, boss, usapang mags tayo. Anong mags pala to, boss?
Sa rims natin, 18 inch by 9.5 na Rota Torque R. So, 18 inch siya. 9.5 yung lapat. The tires is 245/40 R18. Achilles, yung brand ng tires.
Ito, boss, regarding sa lowered na, boss, anong suspension pala na ito, boss?
Naka-standard coilovers na siya.
Coilover. Anong pangalan ng coilover, boss?
Standard. Yung
Standard.
brand name niya.
Ano to? Anong word to?
STD. Kasi I don't want to use
Yung
the acronym STD kasi iba ibig sabihin.
Yun. Pero boss, ano to? US brand, ano ba? Japan brand, ano ba?
If I'm not mistaken, Taiwanese brand.
Taiwan. Ayun, mga koto. Okay. Boss, ito napansin ko may side skirt sila, boss. Sige po.
Honestly, this side skirt, I got it from a fellow FC owner before. Nakuha niya raw ito kay JDM Select and it's called as prototype. Pero parang kumbaga, it's one of the first things that came out.
Ito parang terno na rin halos sa harapan mo,
Yes.
boss. No?
Yun talaga yung naging na-visualize ko dito sa setup ko.
Ganda. Tsaka, yan mga koto. Pag tinignan mo, malapad eh, oh. Okay.
Medyo yun, nakakalapad ang
Nakakalapad. Okay. Boss Johan, dito tayo sa likod naman. Anong meron dito,
sa
boss?
likod. Again, originally, the 1.8 variant doesn't have this wing. So this came from an RS Turbo as well. So this is original RS Turbo wing.
Okay.
Iba yung color niyan na nakuha ko eh. It was red.
Okay.
RS Turbo, so pinapati color ko lang din.
Boss, usapang muffler tayo, boss. Medyo
Muffler natin, dual chamber Gretty muffler. Actually, naka-full exhaust siya. Shoutout kay Notorious. Siya may gawagan, full exhaust. So, yun, naka-dual exit siya.
Boss Ryan, tama ba? Ayun kila Boss Ryan. Shoutout tayo dyan. Okay.
Yun lang,
Sa labas natin, boss. Okay, so yun. Okay na tayo sa exterior.
Okay.
So, check naman natin yung makina, boss.
Okay, sige ko pa.
Okay, Sir Johan, usapang makina tayo, boss. Anong meron dito, boss? Sige po.
So, the engine, which is again the 1.8 or R18 engine, I used an engine. This is the engine cover that was originally released for FT. But since they have the same engine na R18, it fits here as well.
Yun na rin, ito na rin nakakabit dito. Parang, kumbaga, same,
Upgraded to.
Upgraded.
Hindi siya yung stock na engine cover ng FC.
Okay.
And then we have the hard race engine strut bar. Then dito sa baba, we have the custom headers from Freemap. What's special about this made by Freemap is they call it the mandrel dent.
Okay.
Basically, as you can see, yung headers niya, dented siya. Unlike most of the headers that you will see, welded yung part na to.
Kumbaga talaga nakaganon na.
Yes, binend siya talaga.
Nakabend na talaga.
So far, as far as I know, si Prima pa lang nakakagawa ng mandrel bend na ganyan.
Yan ang tawag dyan, mga ka-auto. PM nyo lang to si Sir Johan. Siyempre, at shoutout tayo sa Freemap, no?
Alright, yes.
Sige, boss. Ito, dito may
And then,
napansin ako
for
dito.
the air intake, this was actually sort of my idea. This tube was made by Freemap as well. Pero pina-repaint ko siya to wrinkle black. If you would take a closer look, makikita mo yung auto finish niya. So, wrinkle black siya. Ganyan din kasi yung finish ng mga branded na air intake which cost about 10 more times. So, yung painting niya is made by House of Custom. So, shout out to House of Custom. Then we have the original K&N air filter here.
Yan, well, so, hindi, tsaka tama ba sir yun? Malinis yung tingnan, no? Pag
Yes.
yung
Kasi most air intakes na makikita nyo gawanin ng mga manufacturers natin dito, mga customers, silver siya.
Oh,
No, I'm sorry. Steel
oh.
silver. Oh, yes. Aluminum.
ganun. Or parang chrome.
Chrome, yes.
Ganun.
So, I got the idea from a third-party brand na ganyan yung finish. So, I asked House of Customs, can you do this kind of paint? Yes, they did. So, yeah.
Hindi, tsaka yung engine bay, mga auto, ano siya eh, low-key lang yung dating eh, no? Hindi siya loud, parang kumbaga, naka-emphasize yung ano. Okay, ayos. Boss, ito, dito boss, may napansin ako dito.
This one, wala, pailaw to sa daga. Hindi, joke lang. So basically, racing spec condenser, para siyang, hindi siya grounding kit, pero basically it manages the whole electrical system. So parang binabalanse niya, binaano niya. So wala siyang practical effect. Well, technically speaking, sabi as per spec sheet, makakadagdag sa horsepower ng konti and all that, pero sa actual driving, hindi mo talaga mararamdaman eh. Pero at least with having
May
this,
tulong yan.
yes, may tulong talaga. And you can expect the battery life to be longer kasi binabalanse niya yung
Binabalanse.
ikot ng kuryente.
Well said. Okay. Boss Johan, okay ka na din sa in-engine bay, boss? Meron ka ng ano?
Yes, okay na.
Oh, yan. Thank you. Okay yan guys, nakita natin interior, exterior, tsaka engine bay. Siyempre, usapang ano tayo, 1.8. Siyempre, so Johan dito sa Auto Culture, hindi mawala. Shoutout tayo, boss. Kibo, go.
Yes, thank you. Shout out first to Neogen Performance. As far as the performance is concerned, di sa kotse ko, maraming galing sa kanya. This is also, by the way, naka-pay tuner na to. So, naka-tune na siya. I haven't tested it in dyno, so I don't have the numbers yet for the wheel horsepower, pero as per usage, talagang ramdam mo na yung added power. So, thanks Neogen for that. Second up, we have FreeMuff. So again, FreeMuff, as I've introduced kanina, they've made a couple of things sa engine mods ko. Shout out also to Notorious. They have the full exhaust here, so sila rin ang may gawa nun. So another thing is CarPro Philippines, ATMT Car Care, Santolan. So they did the ceramic coating of this car. So I think it's been about 3 years na ceramic coated, as you can see kanina.
Oh, sobrang ano. Diyos ko, punas-punas lang ang baon nito ni Boss Johan eh.
Pa rin ang mga lamok. Yeah, very, very, very effective. So,
Okay, yan.
yun, so shout out also to my group, current group ngayon, Modern Civics PH Performance Division.
Yan.
So the group, just a brief background dun sa group, we started off with FC owners, pero eventually we since Modern Civics na nag-generalize na to Modern Civics, so we added the FB, which is the 9th generation before this.
Okay.
And then we also have members na naka-FE, which is the 11th, yung sumunod na model after this.
Ay, okay. Yan, boss. Diyos ko, nalalaman tayo sa mga code dito kay Sir Johan. Okay.
FD, di ba?
Oo, yan. Sigat na sa FD na yan, ano?
Generation.
Okay.
FD, the 9th generation, which frankly, hindi masyadong sikat ng time na yun. Then we have the FC at 10th generation. And then the newer one, the newest one, which is the 11th gen FC. FE.
FE. Okay, yan. Well said.
Foundation.
Okay. Yan, okay. Diyos ko. Sana tayo, comment down below kayo mga auto di sa video na ito ni Sir Johan. Boss Johan, okay na po. Boss, baka family nila, boss. Baka gusto nilang shoutout eh. Family nila, boss.
Yeah, everyone else, my mom, my pamangkins, my brother. So, yeah.
Shoutout na lang
Shoutout sa lahat.
yan. I'm sure. Okay. Sir Johan, okay na po.
Okay na, okay.
Okay, so guys, it's Brian Gana and Sir Johan de la Cruz para sa 2018 Honda Civic 1.8e. Usapang FC6 mga auto and this is Auto Culture.